Chapter 43. Internet. The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow. That's a quote from Bill Gates. I wrote this book in 2013, so as I stand here today doing the audio, it's 2017. I don't even have to explain how much the internet's changed everyone's life. The book says, the first line, the internet is here to stay. In fact, it's the future. So it's not as if I could predict it, but you must use it to your advantage. Thanks to the internet, you're listening to this audiobook. Thanks to the internet, your clients can easily book flights and check availability online. Thanks to the internet, you can communicate with your clients after the sale to give better customer service and follow-up. Thanks to the internet, you can update your clients on new resorts opening up and special deals to sell all the referrals you collect. Thanks to the internet, you have the opportunity to earn more money. Fact. A lot of people in the industry are scared of the internet. They blame it for them losing sales. Another excuse. You cannot hide the fact that if you type the word timeshare into a search engine, you're going to get all kinds of things. Sell your timeshare, buy a timeshare, www, don't buy the one you've just bought, we can sell it cheaper to you.com. Don't be scared of this. It will always be there with timeshare or any product you sell. Just type stomach pain into a search engine and it tells you that you could be seriously ill. You have to accept that most of your clients will do research on what they have bought when they get home. You have also to accept that they may have done some research before they came on their presentation. The benefit you have is that the relationship you're building with your clients will make them loyal to you. No computer can replace that special one-on-one relationship. So as long as you can use whatever means you have to your advantage, then the internet can assist you with sales, not prevent them. You can buy anything online, but a lot of people prefer to go out and get that customer service and personal attention. The fact is, even with all the websites out there on resale, on timeshare forums, there are still thousands of couples all over the world buying a timeshare at a sales site from a sales professional every day. Give a person a fish and you can feed them for a day. Teach someone to use the internet and they won't bother you for weeks. Sell someone a timeshare and back up your promises with after-sale service and they will field your business for years. Fact.